సంగారెడ్డి జిల్లా కంది మండలంలోని ఐఐటి హైదరాబాద్ క్యాంపస్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ప్రాజెక్టును జాతికి అంకితం చేసిన ప్రధాని మోదీ వర్చువల్ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొన్న ప్రధాని క్యాంపస్ లో ముఖ్య అతిథిగా హాజరైన గవర్నర్ తమిళసై, ఐఐటి హైదరాబాద్ డైరెక్టర్ బిఎస్ మూర్తి, చైర్మన్ మోహన్ రెడ్డి ఐఐటి హైదరాబాద్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ని జాతికి అంకితం చేసినందుకు ప్రధాని మోదీకి కృతజ్ఞతలు. తెలంగాణ కొత్తగా ఏర్పడ్డ రాష్ట్రం. నేను తెలంగాణకి గవర్నర్ గా పనిచేసినప్పుడు నేను పని చేస్తానో లేదోనని కొంతమంది అనుమానం వ్యక్తం చేశారు. నేను గైనకాలజిస్ట్ ని. పిల్లల్ని తల్లి ఎలా చూసుకోవాలో నాకు తెలుసు. పుదుచ్చేరి రాష్ట్ర బాధ్యతలు కూడా ఇచ్చినప్పుడు కవల పిల్లలు పుడితే ఎలా చూసుకోవాలో డాక్టర్ గా తెలుసు. కరోనా సమయంలో ఐఐటి హైదరాబాద్ తయారు చేసిన వెంటిలేటర్లు ఎంతో మంది ప్రాణాలు కాపాడాయి.
each and everyone here. First of all, I thank our Honorable Prime Minister for dedicating so many developmental projects, particularly educational expansion of educational institutions, and I thank him for all the developmental activities in the great country of Bharat. Sri Suzuki Hiroshi, Ambassador of Japan to India, and I really appreciate his language spirit. He opened with the language of our Telugu as Namaskaram and Dhanyavadalu. Really appreciate his spirit, and he told if he would have been a student, he would have been loved to study here, and I'm really happy to hear him. My respects to him. Dr. B.V.R. Mohan Reddy Garu, Chairman Board of Governors, IIT Hyderabad, and when Professor Murthy mentioned that BOG Chairman Mohan Reddy Garu was the longest chairman, he told. According to me, I can add, he is the strongest chairman also. Because when I came for the previous program, the way he dealt with the students and how he is helping the students for innovation and helping them in entrepreneurship, it is highly appreciable, and I am really very happy. And my respects to Professor B.S. Murthy, Director IIT Hyderabad. When we see a parent, mother, the mother will tell us, my child will walk like this. My child will talk like this. My child will dance like this. So when I see him, his body language, it is almost a mother seeing the institution growing. So my rooms will be like this. My auditorium will be like this. My innovative hub life will be like this. So seeing him, I am seeing a mother in him, seeing the institution growing, and exactly expressing like a mother, see my institution, see the campus, and so many things are doing. And he told, our students are staying in the hostels, and when they come to the class, they will exemplify in their work, and they stay in the hostels also. I am surprised how they are staying in the hostel, because as medical students, when there is no class, immediately we will fly away. Then I thought the students are cool in the classes, cool in the hostels also, because he told some innovative procedures without any air conditions. Because of the water piping in the walls and the floors, the classrooms as well as the hostel rooms are cool. So in this institution, the students are cool, whether they are in the classrooms or they are in the hostels. My respects to Ms. Imoto Sachiko, and Senior Vice President, JICA. And I really appreciate the JICA organization for helping us, whatever may be the developmental activities, particularly the infrastructure given to the students. In Tamil, Tirukural says, Vellatthanayadu Malarneetam, Mandarku Ullathanayadu Uyarvu. You can see the water level, and the lotus will rise to the water level. When the water rises, lotus also rises. So like that, in our institution or in mindset as well as education, whatever may be the development, when we develop, like the lotus rises, the life also, pattern of the students and the citizens also rises. So we have to improve the infrastructure, so like the water level increasing, so that the life pattern as well as the comforts of the citizens will be rising. So that is only our Honorable Prime Minister is doing. He is known for his lotus. So in Tamil it is saying it's a Vellatthanayadu Malarneetam, Mandarku Ullathanayadu Uyarvu. And education, when it is given to a student, that confidence which is given to them, nothing is equal to that. Nowadays I admire the students, particularly when students like IIT students, before and all we used to say, when we go to a house, the family will tell, my father constructed this house. Nowadays fathers are telling, my son constructed this house and gave to me. So nowadays the younger generation is taking the whole responsibility of the family. Why? Because of the education. But how the college campus transforms a student. In a lighter sense, I was reading an article. One student was telling, a school student was telling, what is the most irritating moment? Morning alarm. More to the classroom. It is not IIT Hyderabad classroom because it's very cool. What happened? Some disturbances.